Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yes, I'm still sick. I'm feeling a little bit better, but not really. But I got my Sephora Play box in the mail last night, and you know my penchant for having to get into these boxes as soon as possible, so I wanted to sit down and film today, and I think I look pretty decent because of the power of makeup. Doesn't make my nose feel any better, but nonetheless. So if you don't know what Sephora Play is, it's a $10 a month subscription put out by the Sephora brand. In it you get about 5 samples of hair care, makeup, skincare. I love it. It's always a surprise. You can get spoilers if you want to. I do not. I like being surprised here on camera with you guys. It makes my day because you never know what my reaction is going to be. So let's get into it. The box shape is different, and I think because they've decided to make that silly Ziploc plastic bag permanent, which doesn't make me happy. I used to really enjoy getting those little cloth bags because I always reuse them. I never throw them out. I give them away. I would do things with them. They were great for putting giveaway stuff in, but now we're stuck with the plastic bag. Oh, how cute. In here you always get a pamphlet or a fold-out card, whatever you want to call it, and you do get your 50 play points, which you can now use online, which is amazing. The only caveat is that this is a coupon code, so you can't use another coupon code for a free gift or something if you wanted to. But it's cute because it's got a little pumpkin on it, which I think is adorable. I'm not going to look at that pamphlet out because it tells you what you got, and I don't want to know what I got. So this is how it comes, our elastic baggie. This one's bigger than it was last time, I think. Yeah, this is definitely a larger size. That's interesting. Open here to start your next beauty adventure. Yes, we will open it at the top. Oh, and did you hear? I just got my card in the mail letting us know about the Sephora VIP sale, which is actually starting next week. I was looking for spoilers about when it was coming out, and I couldn't find it, so I'm so super excited. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is an exceedingly large box, hence probably the large plastic bag. And it is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And this is a pretty decent size, actually. I have gotten these before in a much tinier bottle. This is a decent size, and I do like this one. I don't have a problem with my makeup staying because I don't have oily skin, but I do enjoy this. And you know what? Let's just give it a spritz. Why the heck not? It is very cooling when you put it, when you spritz it on your face. It's got a bit of, not a harsh spray, but like the big droplet spray, as you might say. So that's one interesting thing. Okay, we're off to a very good start. Let's pull out the second thing, which is a little teeny tiny tube of something. No, not a tube, a little teeny tiny box. And it is, ooh, it's Gimme Brow. Hopefully my right shade. Let me put on my glasses and maybe I can let you know what the shade is. I may be pausing to blow my nose, just letting you know that. This is in the shade number 3, which I think may be a good shade. I'm not sure. Look how cute this is. It's kind of adorable. I've never tried this, actually. I love the little teeny tiny spoolie. You know what? Let's give this a shot. I do enjoy brow gels. I've been using the Ulta. Sometimes, though, it gets just a wee bit clumpy, so I have to wipe it off on a tissue, and then sometimes I get the tissue fibers on there. But let's see how this one works. I think it's still the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Well, I don't know if it made a difference. The color is good for me, though, which is fantastic. It's not as wet as the Ulta brow gel that I have, which I actually really, really like. I don't know. I'd have to do it when my brows are not done already and see if I really like it, but I'm really happy I have it to try. May fall in love and may want to continue to get it. Let's dip into the third thing. And of course we have our perfume sample. I love perfume samples. Problem is that I fall in love with so many perfumes that my collection is going to be gigantic. And this is the Kat Von D. Which one is this? Oh, this one is in the Saint. She has the Saint and the Sinner. Oh, look, we got both of them. Yay. Okay, cool. I've never, I was going to say sniffed and smelled and it came out smeh. Okay, let's try one on one hand and one on the other. Okay, the nose is going to be difficult, of course, you realize that. I'm having a hard time smelling. I don't know. I can't smell anything. Let me see if the center one has... I can smell it better. Okay, the nose is not working because I cannot smell. I can't smell a thing. If you've tried either of these perfumes, please tell me what it smells like because this isn't working. I'm sure I'm going to like it once I can smell it. I'm pulling out a bottle now. Wow, we've been getting such awesome things, at least I have in my subscription boxes all month. I'm so happy. Okay, I think we just got this, unless it's a different one, but I just got, sorry, I just got the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. This is the Radiance Serum. I have to check because the last one I got was in a little squeezy tube. I want to see if it's the same thing, but this is a huge sample of it in a glass bottle. And I am so excited to try it. I love getting serums and, you know, moisturizers, and I do enjoy a lot of things from Caudalie. Wow. I'm kind of blessed this month. Okay, this is interesting. I think all of the brands are collabing with all of these subscription boxes because I seem to be getting the same brands and things in each of my subscription boxes. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream, and I have used this and I do enjoy this. It's a little light as far as the moisturizing for my skin, but I do enjoy it. And we also got the First Aid Beauty in our lower box as well. I'm still happy I have it because it means I don't have to go out and buy it. And the last thing in our little Ziploc baggie appears to be a full-size lipstick, and it is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, maybe it's not a lipstick. I have my glasses on. You think I can read? Okay, this is very interesting. It says Banana Stick Contour. And it's actually not a full size because look at how little amount you are getting. Can't smell a darn thing. Maybe? It's not a highlighter. Alright, I'm going to have to read the pamphlet now and let you know. For the first time, I'm mystified. This is adorable. They're giving you last minute looks for Halloween. And of course, guess where my eyes went first? Not So Grumpy Cat. I love Grumpy Cat. I want Grumpy Cat. This is adorable. They're just giving you some Halloween tips. Okay, let's talk about the products for a moment. The first thing they have listed on here is the Anastasia stick. And this is, okay. It's a stick foundation in banana. A pale yellow light to full coverage medium, well, try that again. A pale yellow light to full coverage foundation stick with a demi-matte finish. Okay. It's foundation. That is so cool. I've been dying to try this. It also says the application stick is ideal for highlighting, contouring, and touching up. It did feel creamy on my hand. I'm so excited to try this out. If I didn't have foundation on already, I would do it. And I think the color is going to be good. Yay! Or at least now I know what it is anyway. This one is Mystical Powers. Get it? Mystical. Yeah, okay. From Urban Decay. This one says that it is keeps your makeup in place for 16 hours. Again, I don't know about that because my makeup doesn't really have a problem staying. It's nice. I like it. I'm super happy to have it. I cannot wait to find out, do my investigation, see what the value of these samples are because they're really quite large. Fresh Face Oasis is what they're saying about this. It is the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream, and it's an oil-free, lightweight moisturizer that replenishes skin with coconut water. It says it's rich in electrolytes, amino acids, enzymes, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. This one I am so excited about to really give a full test. And it's the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus a Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 3, which is a medium brown, which is a great color for me. Supposedly, this has tiny microfibers that adhere to the skin and hair for bold brows. So happy to try it. And this one says, "Let there be bright." That's more of a Christmas thing, I think. And this is an oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. And you can use this both morning and night. Once I use this, I'll let you know my further thoughts. Retail of 2 cents. I'm so happy that we got both to try. That's like amazing. Saint one, they say the notes, the family of the notes is floral. And it has mandarin as a top note, and the middle note is jasmine and vanilla, and the base note is a creamy musk. Once my nose works, I'll let you know if I like it. The center, the fragrance family is earthy and woody. It has the top notes of orange blossom. The middle notes is cinnamon, white floral. I love the scent of cinnamon. And the base note is patchouli. Well, this is another box that I am really thrilled with this month. I don't know what's going on. I'm wondering if everybody got these. I know that you can get a lot of different samples in here, so I will be curious to know what you guys got if you do get this box. I think it was fabulous. Of course, I will put the value of all of the items on the screen for you like I usually do. And thank you for the feedback. You guys have been letting me know that you really enjoy that. And I love doing it for you guys, so thank you for the feedback and letting me know that you like it. One of my next videos is going to be my 500 subscriber giveaway. I am almost already up to like 600. I'm like 25 away, so it's a little late, but I did not expect the love and like to get the subscribers I did. I am so eternally grateful to all of you who have subscribed. It means everything to me, your support, your comments. If I don't tell you enough, I can't possibly tell you enough how much I appreciate and how much I love you guys, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. So that video will be coming very, very soon. I'm just trying to set everything up. So thank you so much for watching today and tolerating me sounding like Froggy. I appreciate and love you all. I hope you all have an amazing day, an amazing week, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye. Much love.